Alrighty, so we got the 2-inch lift kit just off eBay, $700, and we're gonna put it in. So we're gonna do the front first, jack it up, and then take off the wheels, put a jack under the diff, and up a tiny bit to under the shocks, get them out so it's loose, get them out, drop the diff, and then get the coils out, put the new ones in, back up to put the new shocks in. Let's go.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. She's so different by herself, you think she's somebody else. Blinded by the life she thinks she wants. She only smokes at parties, dresses like the 90s, in her mom's old blue jeans, spending daddy's money. You know she tries so hard, but she never had me fooled. I knew her before she was cool. It won't last.
Alrighty, so the front is in so far. That's what it looks like. Front's obviously a bit higher, looking good. Now we're going to start the back.
She only smokes at parties, 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 yeah. 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 She only smokes at parties.
Run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. Run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up.